What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So by request, today I'm going to attempt to make an Adam Petty NASCAR Heat 5 paint scheme. So let's get to the number 45. Just a friendly reminder, the best thing you guys can do to support the channel is give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button down below, and join us on our journey to 10,000 freaking subscribers. Thank you guys for all the continued support. Let's get started. So let's change up some of these colors a while. We're definitely going to need a 3-color paint scheme with minimal. So I do not think I'm going to be able to get Adam Petty's paint scheme spot on. I just don't see that happening. Let's see here. Because if I change this to red, that's too much red. If I change it to black, I feel like it's going to be too much black. And then if I add red here, that's going to look goofy. So we're not going to run that. Oh, man. Let's see. So the orange looks like it's primary there. Maybe we change that to red. Change these other colors around. Maybe run the gray there. First off, let's put Sprint on the hood, which was white. So let's just run with our go-to, run Brant on the side. Let's run let's run Pilot just for shits and giggles. Go back to Brant here on the side. Deck lid. On that, and on the rear, let's run something. What are we running? Maybe we just go naked on the back. Let's just go bare on the back. So I'm not a huge fan of this paint scheme in particular. But I guess you could say that's one variation. I'm not a huge fan of it. This one, same here. Not a huge fan. Let's actually change up the way that the numbers look here. Run maybe more of that, and let's run a red outline. That's what he had on his car, a red outline. See, this is the thing, right? So with making these paint schemes, it can be extremely difficult to try and get this to work right because of being restricted in a way. Maybe we change this up to black as well. Guess you could run something similar to that. Once again, not going to be spot on. And see, that's the thing. With a lot of these, we are not going to be spot on whatsoever. So this paint scheme, it would work. But let's change. Oh boy. So we need to get the red to be black, right? Which he wouldn't have ran black there, but he could run something along the lines of this. If I were to run this paint scheme, I would in fact change the number outline. Probably black, but I don't know. I just don't know. I would personally run that on the outside, but are there any more schemes that might potentially work with this? Maybe this. Maybe this. Let's switch this around again. Change this to the red. Change this to black. Could run something like that. Now that's honestly, that's not terrible. To be honest with you guys, this is not terrible looking in comparison to what his car would actually look like. As stated before, we are just so severely restricted on this game, unfortunately, as to what we can and cannot do. And it does get tough sometimes, especially with me trying to create these paint schemes. It can be really, really difficult. See, and I don't really want to run something other than black there, but where is this other mysterious red? So the other red that they're looking at is this, which, still not a ginormous fan. The right person would get the gist of this. The right person would get the idea of what you're going with any of these paint schemes. Let's see here, just out of curiosity. So, one of Adam's old cars, which was the Spree car, I wonder if we can do anything with this paint scheme right here, because you get kind of the V action that his Spree car had. So let's change this to yellow. Now keep in mind, guys, I'm just doing this on the fly, so I'm not pre-getting an idea of what I can do here. So from the looks of this, is we're not going to get every color of that car incorporated, at least properly. So we can change, well, maybe we can, depends on how much. Yeah, this right here is going to be the issue. So we can add purple to the car, which is that, right? No, let me see here. I'm confusing the hell out of myself. Give me 1 second. So if I run purple here, change the black in the front to red. Yeah, we're still not gonna get what the idea would be for this car. The purple is on the hood and on the back like we would want it to be, but the red on the actual car, which, like I said before, I'll post a picture of what I'm attempting to create here. But yeah, that's not going to work. Kind of sucks. Not gonna work. I wonder if there's any other schemes that maybe we could pull the color combo off on, but I find that highly unlikely at this point. Maybe if we change the yellow here to the green, yeah, because that changes the whole hood of the car. NASCAR 85, 704 Games, or whoever owns it now. Give us more. Please give us more options. Just give us more. We just want more. We just want more options, that's all. So if we change this to the red, and what color are we missing here? The yellow. I mean, yeah, even if that was the case and that's what we ran, that's not even, man, I was really hoping we could create a second paint scheme of Adam Petty, but from the looks of it, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to. Going back to his other paint scheme, I'm thinking maybe run black here, run red up top, get rid of the green and put gray, a different gray. Maybe we could get something happening. But from the looks of it, we are not. Let me just see here. Keep flip-flopping back and forth for stuff. Being an idiot. Well, guys, frustrating, but that is what I have for you guys for Adam Petty. I will play around with more of these to try to get an answer and try to get more paint schemes together. I will see you guys in the next one. Later.